English-Catalan future of to be, I will be.
seré,
You will be.
serás.
Welcome. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more cool learning boosts. Today, you and I time travel into Catalan's future of to be, no flux capacitor required. When I say, I will be, you'll answer.
Seré,
When I say, you will be, you shout.
serás.
Ready to sound brilliant in the future? Let's roll. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll command every future form of ser like a boss. Target map. I will be.
Seré,
You, singular, will be.
serás.
He will be.
Él será.
She will be.
Ella será.
It will be.
Será.
We will be.
Serem.
You, plural, will be.
Vosaltres sereu.
They will be.
Ells seran.
Quick forms with rhythm. Clap, tap, or head bob. Lock the beats into your memory. I will be.
Seré,
Clap. You, SG, will be.
serás.
Point forward. He will be.
Él será.
Nod wisely. She will be.
Ella será.
Crown gesture. It will be.
Será.
Shrug of destiny. We will be.
Serem.
Team fist bump. You, plural, will be.
Vosaltres sereu.
Wave to the group. They will be.
Ells seran.
Distant hero pose. Mini dialogues. Let's drop the forms into tiny, funny scenes you can use right away. You, will you be ready? Friend. Yes, I will be.
Seré,
On time. Coach. Tomorrow, you, SG, will be the captain.
serás.
El Capita. Announcer. And he will be the MVP.
Él será.
El Jugador Más Valuoso. Whisper. She will be our guide.
Ella será.
La Nostra Guia. Planner. Relax, it will be easy.
Será.
Fácil. Team. We will be there at 8.
Serem.
Allah les vuit. Leader to group. You, plural, will be legends.
Vosaltres sereu.
Legends. Forecast. They will be in Barcelona by noon.
Ells seran.
A Barcelona al Migdia. Call and response drill. I call the English cue, you fire back in Catalan. Say it aloud. Cue, I will be. Answer.
Seré,
Cue, you, singular, will be. Answer.
serás.
Cue, he will be. Answer.
Él será.
Cue, she will be. Answer.
Ella será.
Cue, it will be. Answer.
Será.
Cue, we will be. Answer.
Serem.
Cue, you, plural, will be. Answer.
Vosaltres sereu.
Cue, they will be. Answer.
Ells seran.
Culture tip. A quick Catalan flavor to anchor the verbs in real life. At a Castellers rehearsal, someone laughs and says, tomorrow.
Serem.
Més valents. The cap de cola points at your group.
Vosaltres sereu.
Forts. And the crowd whispers about the rival team.
Ells seran.
Incredibles. Your coffee? Don't worry.
Será.
Perfect. Lightning quiz. Beat me to the answer. Shout it before I reveal it. English. You, SG, will be. Catalan.
Serás.
English. We will be. Catalan.
Serem.
English. She will be. Catalan.
Ella será.
English. They will be. Catalan.
Ells seran.
English. It will be. Catalan.
Será.
English, he will be. Catalan.
Él será.
English, I will be. Catalan.
Seré.
English, you, plural, will be. Catalan.
Vosaltres sereu.
Challenge mode. Time for one silly, future-packed monologue. Repeat after me. Tomorrow, I will be.
Seré.
The early bird, you, SG, will be.
Serás.
The coffee hero, he will be.
Él será.
The spreadsheet ninja, she will be.
Ella será.
The meeting queen, it will be.
Será.
A short day, we will be.
Serem.
Unstoppable, you all will be.
Vosaltres sereu.
Legends, and they will be.
Ells seran.
So impressed they'll buy us churros. Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it, future you is proud. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms out loud today so tomorrow you really.
Serás.
Unstoppable, okay, you really.
Serás.
Awesome and we.
Serem.
Proud. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English-Catalan lessons, quizzes, and fresh practice. Fins Dima, yes, it.
Será.
Great.